Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Go around, Willie's Butte, and come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting.
Wheels is even better than I thought!
Bent hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
Hey kid, watch this!
No, you don't know what you want. Luigi know what you want. Blah.
This is fun!
What are you...
Neither one of them has a single death.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
Aquí recto. Ya es suficiente y fuera.
Natuurlijk kijken naar bij.
Well, this coat has got
There's just a tow truck to infiltrate this lemonhead meat and my weapon system's done.
What just happened?
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government! They're feeding...
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a 3.
Oh man, the paint's still wet!
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
Oh, nice! May I remind you, federal DOT.
As crop hoppers at
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought
Of course I will. We both need special fuel. We'll help each other.
Which he will have to be to have a chance against Francesco today. See you at the finish line. What?
Thank you, Henry. I have to hurry now. The mayor is waiting for the Lion of Sodor.
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really? Oh,
But
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
this is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I would like to see where this is going.
You won't talk me out of this, Mr. McQueen. I'm going back. I resign as your trainer.
all right.
Oh, kid's just trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this?
Get your kicks on Route 66. McQueen and Sally, park beneath the
pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Bracer!
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but...
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!